Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo on GIMP. So let's have a look now. When working on your image in GIMP, you can undo recent actions by going to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Click on Edit and you will see the Undo option in the drop-down menu. Simply select Undo to revert the last action performed in GIMP. If you need to undo multiple actions, you can repeatedly select Undo from the Edit menu. GIMP allows you to step back through your editing history. Additionally, a quick way to undo changes is by using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus G to undo the last action. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.